Right now, I'm holding in my hand my new 5-year journal, which is from Blot and Line. Okay, so I just leave this. Nice. I actually have two 5-year journals. Why I am using two different Tagebuch or diaries. The both of them are 5-year because Guten Morgen, meine Liebe. Hey, what is going on? Welcome to another video. Right now, I'm holding in my hand my new 5-year journal, which is from Blot and Line, and with a golden yellow strap, which I just received today. So I will do a short unboxing video and review about this diary. Alright, let's get to it. So, in the packaging, there were two things mainly, this diary and this strap, which I separately ordered. This strap didn't come with a pen. This is my own pen, which I bought just yesterday, which is my life's first fountain pen, Lamy Safari. So this hardboard in which the strap came is also marked with their icon, which is ant, and it's a solid hardboard. I feel like I can use this as a bookmark. Whatever. The strap, it's golden yellowish, but right now the light in my room is yellow, so it might look a little bit more yellowish, I think. Whatever, the strap quality is pretty good and it can wrap around the whole diary easily, no problem. But when I try to insert the pen, there is a little bit of difficulty, like my pen is a little bit thick, so when I try to insert it, I have to extend the strap a little bit more to insert it. So the strap quality and everything, you can say 4.5 out of 5. Okay, now let's go to the main box. So the diary comes in a good quality, very good quality box, and I am putting pictures which I took in the daylight of this box, and it is really beautiful, and the box's color is also almost the same as the diary. And I had ordered maroon color at first, but it was not available, unfortunately. Then I had to change to indigo, but I think I got the navy blue. I don't know if this is the indigo or not, but this color and the golden strap goes along very nicely. Okay, so I just leave this. Nice, my beautiful diary, and perfectly fits in the box, just like I am unboxing my new iPad, just lift like this. And when I bring out the diary, there are two papers here. These is where the first paper is a thank you paper in which they're saying vielen Dank, dass wir ein Teil deiner Reise sind, so that we are part of your journey. And also in handwritten, there is written hashtag Blotline. I think it's handwritten here from a closer look. The other card looks like this. In the other card, it is written Dein Leben, dein Weg. Your life, your way. If I am correct. Sorry, my German is not still in good level. It's actually lower than medium level, to be honest. However, and in the bottom it's written 365 Fragen, অর্থাৎ 365 questions, then this number of answers, ein Mensch, and 5 Persönlichkeiten. So this thing is also written on the diary. I can show you. Also in the bottom, the same thing is written, hashtag Blotline in golden. Okay, so I put out the packets, and here's the main diary, which is written Blot and Line, 5-Jahres Tagebuch, and the same thing is written in the bottom, 365 Fragen, Antworten, Mensch, Persönlichkeiten. And to be honest, the hand feel of this diary is very, very good. It feels totally premium. It feels super, super aesthetic. The binding quality is also pretty good. So in the front page, it's written Dieser Tagebuch gehört. So I'll just write my name in the front page. And after that, the diary's name, 5-Jahres Tagebuch, dein Leben, dein Weg. And from the next page, straight up, the diary starts. And here's a little bit of writing. So I would suggest to you, if you have bought this diary, to go to the last page first. Frankly, not the last page. In the last pages there are some notes, meine Notizen, and in the last part there is an instruction like how to use this diary. So in here is the main date, so Tag des Monats, and in here a question for the day. So here is written worüber hast du dich heute gefreut. So it's written here Frage des Tages. The main uniqueness of this diary is each page has unique questions and you will write your answers in here. So it's like here is shown 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. So in here is instructed hier trägst du die Jahreszahl ein. So you will put your year number here. Like right now I'm videographing this in 2026, so I will write 2026 here. And here trägst du deine Antwort ein. You write your answer of the question here, and hier trägst du deine Antwort ein Jahr später ein. You'll write the same answer of the question but 1 year later. So after 1 year the answer of your question might change. So that is the main theme of this diary, that your main idea or main experience of your life can change in 1 year or 5 years. So after 5 years or after some years completing this diary, finally you will have the experience of going through each pages and going through experiences of your own life. So you should pretty much go through these instructions, and here is also written was ist Blut und Lein. So what's the Blut und Lein, then you can read it, and in each pages there are questions and space for the answers. You will just write the year and you'll write your answer. So now I will explain why I have two 5-year journal diaries and why they are for different purposes. I can show you. I actually have two 5-year journals, and one is 5-Jahresbuch, Der kleine Prinz. So it is in a theme of the cartoon or the story of the kleine Prinz. So each pages have some illustrations and the same as 5 years. And here is also written the date. It goes on. But the main thing is these pages don't have questions. Okay, I got it from Thalia, and the quality of this diary is also good. I got it from Thalia, and in this there is no questions. So why I am using two different Tagebuch or diaries? The both of them are 5-year, because at first I thought I would buy this for my main purpose and I would transform the questions from this to this diary and I would write mainly on this diary. At first I thought that, but after receiving it today I have changed my decision, because I have decided that I will use this diary as my daily life experiences, like my daily journal. So what happened today, positive thing or negative thing, so I will write with my fountain pen, and if I have written any positive thing, I will highlight it with my green marker, and if there is something negative, I will highlight with this marker. And for the answers of the questions, the experiences which may change throughout my life, I will write in this diary. Okay, so later I have decided that I will not transform the questions from this diary to this diary. What I will do is I will keep using this diary as my daily Tagebuch, and I will keep using this diary as my daily Fragebuch. I will write my answers in here because I wanted to write my answers in a little bit of detail, like 2 or 3 sentences. So if I write my daily things and question answers in the same diary, I will not have space. It will be a little bit of difficult. Also, if I write questions in the top, it will take very much time to transform 365 questions from here to here, and it will be a little bit of mess. But when I got this, when I finally had the experience to feel the quality of this diary, then I thought that no, I should not keep this diary just left out. I should also use this diary. That's why from now on I will use both of these diaries. This one as my daily normal journal, what happened today, positive things or negative things, or what to-do list or what milestone of my life I have reached, and in this what milestone of my life have I reached, and in this one I will write answers to my questions with a little bit of experiences related to that question. So that answer of that question might be for the same day or might come from another day of my life, but it will not be a daily experiences. It will be mainly focused on the answers of my questions, which will change throughout all the 5 years. And after 5 years, finally I will have the fun, I will have the interesting experience. And it's also a 5-year project or a 5-year experiment throughout my whole life. And I can also reflect on my life after 5 years, that in this year I have come to Berlin from Bangladesh, and I don't know after 5 years where I go. Even I live or die, I don't know. So it will be very interesting to see where this goes. And I will keep this diary safe, and I will try to keep writing on them daily. Let's see where it goes. So in the end of this diary, I will talk about the quality of the paper, because I am writing with fountain pen. So you know, fountain pen uses watercolor. So I was a little bit afraid if watercolor can bleed through the page, then it will be a mess and I cannot use fountain pen. So I did experiment, and this Kleines Prince diary, it is a little bit thicker than this diary, and in this diary the watercolor does not bleed through the page. And I did the same test in this diary. I can show you. So in the last page of the Notizen, I have written Guten Morgen, meine Liebe. So I have written that with my Lamy Safari fountain pen, which is this one, my Lamy Safari fountain pen. And it uses water-based colors, but I can give you a good answer that it does not bleed throughout this page. And finally, I was happy with the quality of this diary. The binding is good, everything is good. The front feels like hard cloth, and I think it will last more than 5 years, even if I use it a little bit of roughly. And also the paper quality is good because my watercolor does not bleed throughout the page. So I think this diary is a 5 out of 5. So there's my short review. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, you can kindly subscribe. You can put comments on this diary, and if you have used it, you can also share your experiences. See you in the next one. Ta-da!
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.